Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Slush Machine is probably one of the most exciting additions to any home or small business, offering a delightful way to create refreshing frozen beverages right at your fingertips. Imagine serving up perfectly blended, icy treats that capture the essence of summer fun, from classic fruit flavors to creative cocktails, all with the convenience of your own countertop appliance. This guide will delve into what makes a slush machine truly stand out, ensuring you find the perfect model to bring smiles and cool refreshment to your gatherings or customers. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Snow Cone Machine. Bring the fun of a snow day right into your kitchen with this electric shaved ice machine. It's perfect for creating all sorts of frozen treats. Whip up margaritas, slushies, iced coffees, or even unique frozen cocktails. You can customize your drinks exactly how you like them. This machine is designed for convenience. It's simple to put together and easy to operate, making frozen treats a breeze. You have the flexibility to use cube ice, bagged ice, or even create your own ice blocks with the included molds. It's designed to work with what you have. While it excels at making shaved ice and snow cones, its versatility extends to many other frozen concoctions. It's a great addition to any home entertaining setup. When you're done creating your delicious frozen desserts, it stores away conveniently. Plus, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty for peace of mind. What we like? This machine is incredibly versatile, allowing you to use cube ice, bagged ice, or even make your own ice blocks. If you're looking for a flexible option that can handle whatever ice you have on hand, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those spontaneous frozen treat cravings. What people say? It indeed makes freshly fallen snow consistency shaved ice. The ice is a bit more fluffy than the shaved ice trucks, which is a bit more icy. This tends to melt the ice easier. Simple operating machines and gives uniform and fine shaved ice to enjoy varieties of desserts. Number 4. Nostalgia Retro Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Introducing the Nostalgia Retro Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. It's designed to bring fun and delicious icy treats to any occasion. This machine is perfect for parties and gatherings, capable of making up to 20 refreshing icy treats. It's an easy way to please a crowd. Equipped with precision-cut stainless steel blades, it efficiently shaves ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like ice. Enjoy perfectly textured shaved ice every time. Its compact size makes it ideal for any kitchen countertop or side table. You can easily serve snow cones wherever you go, with safety features built in. This versatile machine works perfectly with all nostalgia snow cone kits and accessories. Explore different flavors and enjoy endless icy creations. Embrace the timeless appeal of our appliances. We offer unique, fun products that preserve the past while looking forward to the future. What we like? Embrace a touch of nostalgia with this retro-styled machine. Its precision-cut stainless steel blades ensure fluffy, snow-like ice quickly and efficiently. If you're planning parties or gatherings and want a fun, easy way to serve icy treats, this is an excellent choice. What people say? It's easy to use, quick to clean, and makes the perfect fluffy ice every time. The machine's durable construction ensures that it withstands frequent use without compromising performance. The inclusion of 2 reusable plastic cups and an ice scoop adds a practical touch to the package. Number 3. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy shaved ice right in your kitchen with this electric machine. It's perfect for making margaritas, slushies, iced coffee, and any frozen treat you can imagine, turning your home into your own icy dessert station. This kit includes the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cherry, grape, and blue raspberry, along with 25 cups, 25 spoon straws, pourers, and ice molds. You'll have everything needed to start making treats right away. It's simple to operate and clean, and its portable design makes it easy to store when not in use. You can use regular ice cubes, bagged ice, or even make your own ice blocks. Each bottle of syrup makes about 8 snow cones, and the entire kit can create up to 24 servings. You can easily adjust the flavor intensity to your preference. Our syrups are made with your well-being in mind, free from common allergens like nuts, soy, wheat, dairy, starch, flour, and egg products. They are shelf-stable and don't require refrigeration. Beyond shaved ice, these syrups add a delightful twist to cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. Give your favorite drinks a new flavor dimension with this versatile set. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one kit, providing not just the machine but also syrups, cups, and straws to get your party started immediately. If you're concerned about allergens, its nut-free, soy-free, wheat-free, and dairy-free syrups are a major plus. It's ideal for anyone who wants a hassle-free, inclusive frozen treat experience. What people say. The Slush Machine has a powerful motor that can crush ice quickly and efficiently. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for small kitchens or parties. The machine features a simple one-button operation, making it user-friendly for everyone. Number 2. Nostalgia Aqua Frozen Drink Maker. Enjoy refreshing ice-cold drinks right at home. This versatile machine lets you create everything from margaritas and daiquiris to fruit smoothies and milkshakes. Prepare multiple servings at once with its generous 128-ounce capacity. The double-insulated design keeps your creations perfectly chilled for hours. Planning a beach day, barbecue, or picnic. This portable machine is easy to lift and move. The secure lid and carry handle make transport a breeze. Spend more time enjoying your delicious frozen drinks and less time cleaning. The blending chamber detaches easily from the base for quick and simple cleanup. Nostalgia Appliances offer unique and fun products for the whole family. We bring timeless appeal and enjoyment to your home. What we like. With a generous 128-ounce capacity, this machine is perfect for entertaining. Its double-insulated design keeps drinks cold for hours, and the convenient carry handle makes it portable for any event. If you frequently host gatherings or want to make large batches of frozen drinks for family and friends, this is your go-to. What people say. First off, you don't need anywhere near as much salt as stated. I use 3 tablespoons and it is plenty. 1 towards the bottom, 1 in the middle and 1 on top, less than 15 minutes for frozen treats. The ice size makes the most difference, larger cubes work much better. Follow those simple tips for no issues. The size is a little bit taller than the average blender. To make the perfect slushie you will need more salt and ice than the instructions stated. Easy to use. If you are a true slushie person, do not be surprised if it is not enough. It only makes 32 ounces. Don't overfill with ice. The ice do melt. You don't want the salt and ice get into whatever is used for the slush. I think it is worth the cost. Quality is fair. Easy to operate. One button to operate. To make a great slushie you have to make sure the ice is cold by using salt. I use ice cream salt. Remember to close the dispenser or you will have a mess and no slush. I will purchase again. It works great. Doesn't look like a lot to drink, but it is. Number 1. BKPPM Slushie Machine. Tired of dealing with ice cubes? This machine revolutionizes frozen drinks by freezing liquids directly, saving you time and effort. Simply pour in your favorite beverages and enjoy delicious icy treats. Explore a world of flavors with 6 preset programs. From ice cream and slushies to milkshakes and fraps, you can create countless frozen delights to suit any taste. With a large 70-ounce capacity, it's perfect for any gathering. Make enough frozen drinks to share with family and friends, ensuring everyone gets to enjoy the fun. Monitor the freezing process with the user-friendly LED display showing real-time temperature. Easily adjust settings for your desired drink consistency and even schedule it to be ready when you are. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to its smart design. Removable parts like the lid and drip tray are dishwasher safe, making maintenance simple and quick. Enjoy perfectly smooth slushies in as little as 15 to 60 minutes, thanks to its powerful yet quiet compressor. Experiment with different settings to achieve your ideal texture every time. What we like. This is a true game changer as it requires no ice, freezing liquids directly for ultimate convenience. With 6 preset programs and real-time temperature display, it offers precise control for perfect results every time. If you value convenience, precision, and want to avoid the hassle of ice, this advanced slushie machine is the ultimate choice for effortless frozen drink creation. What people say. The slush machine is very easy to use and makes perfect slushies every time. It's a great addition to any home bar, perfect for parties and gatherings. The machine is compact and doesn't take up too much counter space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.